All right, well.
You didn't get that box out of your face either, huh?
What box?
The facial recognition box.
Yeah, I did. I just need to put it on manual focus, but I kind of like the box. I think it's kind of festive.
All right, it'll be there all the time. You know what? I just set up my new camera, and you know what I don't have?
A box around your face.
Yeah, I don't have one of those. We're gonna have to rotoscope it out of every single frame.
What we have here is the Wyze camera. This is for Skynet. I mean, this is just a really great product for keeping your home safe. So what we have here is a pretty, simple mechanism. It's a little sticker. It's not really a mechanism, a sticker, is it? It's really just a sticker.
Wait, don't you need to cut that?
No, it just peels off if you're not an idiot.
No.
Here we go. I am an idiot, so it's hard. Here we go. There we go.
Can you bring the box up closer? It's out of.
Oh, we're doing this again?
It's out of focus. We don't have to play 6 minutes of. Dude, you're the worst. I hate you.
I'm coming up. Ready? Okay. You see this?
Oh God.
Is it in the shot?
No, man.
Now?
No. Also, why do we want to see that part of it?
So you can see it. If you're saying, why do you want to see this?
Blurry. It's useless.
You're useless, but I still love you as a friend.
This is why you're not allowed to unbox the things.
I unbox everything. I'm the unboxed guy. All right, you know what? We're doing it my way. And this is my way. Okay, so we have a little wrapper in here. See that? Looking good.
John, don't you have a really special knife to be unboxing stuff with?
Yes. Let me go get it.
Too late now.
It's too late. Do you have your knife?
Of course I have my knife.
Oh my God. I really screwed up.
I was trying to buy, there's a sticker. Don't you want to cut the sticker?
Yeah, well, I'm not good. I'm not subtle. I'm not good at subtlety. I'm not a tactful person. Take off the nice peely thing.
Bring it way up to the microphone and peel it off.
Okay. Ready?
Bring it way up to the microphone.
Okay, ready?
Nice.
So if we look at the back here, there's like this, you can't see it. There's like a little home icon in the form of what looks to be some sort of speaker grill. I don't know why you would want a speaker grill on this. Maybe it's actually just venting for the electronics.
Also, if you hold on that button on the back, the little home button, just hold it down for like 700 seconds.
There is no button on the back.
On the bottom, sorry.
Oh, why do you know this?
Omniscience? I don't know.
Did Google download that into your mind?
I'm a four-dimensional being.
Flatlanders have no concept of three-dimensional objects. I'm in another dimension. You have a safe hidden in your pantry.
How did you know that? Are you a god? I never knew.
I held it down and nothing happened. Maybe it needs to be plugged in.
Yeah, that would do it.
And then there is a stand. If you look at the box, there's clearly a stand here, but I don't know how to make it work. Oh, shoot. Oh, God. Look at that.
Pretty clever. Boom. It kind of looks like a little robot buddy, too.
Yeah, it's meant to be non-threatening, even though it's spying on you and sending the data to this company, Wyze Cam.
Yeah, so these are cameras, security cameras for the interior of your house, right?
Oh my God, that's even more terrifying. So they're spying on you, they're not just spying on wherever you position them outside.
Yeah, and the thing that's interesting about that is if somebody's broken into your house and you see them on camera inside your house, it's too late.
Yeah.
It's too late.
That's a good point. So what we have here, a bunch of other spy goodies, just some cables. There's some thoughtful design in here. I will give them that. It's not just like a bunch of off-the-shelf parts, although there are a lot of them, and there's nothing wrong with that. So we have this sort of 3M little sticky piece here. It's just like, a very standard USB to outlet sort of connection. The textures of each of these devices don't match. This is probably off the shelf. We have a nice cable here, and it's sort of like a ribbon cable, meaning it's got like a flat end. Do you guys see that?
That's
It's like
nice.
a little piece of tape.
It doesn't get all tangled that way.
Exactly. We have a nice quality metal base here. Look at that. Feel that? You don't feel that, but you can hear that. Listen to that. That's quality.
That's actually a magnet.
Is it?
Yeah, so you can stick the magnet wherever you want and then just pop it on there. The camera base will.
Oh, look at that.
So there's a little more to it, I would say. One is, even though they're inside, it seems like it's kind of effective. You can put them out the window. You just shoot from inside because they're not weatherproof.
Should I put it back on?
Sure.
I'm gonna put it back on. Okay, so I'm gonna rebox this for Marisol to enjoy. Good as new, nothing wrong here. I don't know how I fit this back in, so that's how it goes. I hate you.
Thanks for lending it to us, Marisol.
Thanks, Mari. Does anybody call her Mari?
I don't think so.
That would be weird. Well, that's it. This is the Wyze Spy Cam. Buy this if you want some company to know what you're doing inside of your house at all times. I would never buy this for myself.
That which we are most afraid of is what thrills us the most.